slept hungry. Is it that, sir? 800 million people slept hungry last night globally. If you come down to here, Kenya, over 4 million Kenyans sleep hungry every day. Is it clear? 4 million Kenyans sleep hungry every day. In terms of money, food waste cost us 2.6 trillion US dollar every year. If you come here in Kenya, it costs us 72 billions per annum. Is that not serious? It should be declared a national disaster or not?
It should.
Should be. That's why I'm here. Otherwise, my name is Maina Anthony. I'm the CEO and founder of Kakamega. Just a brief recap on what we have just said. We waste over 40% of what we produce. That is to say, 1 in 8 citizens face hunger, and 40% of that is produced. 40% of that is wasted. You can see the graph here. This is what we produce, and this is what is wasted. And as we speak, what happens in every 1 kilogram of food we waste, it contributes to 3%. It contributes to 3 times of greenhouse gas. Everybody is speaking about climate change. What normally happens when all these food end up in that thing, it rots, and upon rotting, it is what we call methane. Methane is one of the greenhouse gases, and that's what there have been the issue of global warming, erratic weather changes because of all this. That is so you are wasting, because we waste over 1.3 billion tons of food per annum. So that the amount of greenhouse gases that come from this, you do times 3. So it contributes to 3.3 billion tons of CO2 emission per annum. Is that not serious? It's serious. If I was going to explain, when it comes to money, the figure, economic loss, retailers lose millions of shillings annually from expired goods and as a result of operation inefficiency. Socially, perfectly edible food destruction. We waste good food, and when millions of people sleep hungry. Environment, as I was trying to explain, food waste contributes to greenhouse gas emission and climate change. Next slide. Market landscape and opportunity. As you can see, Kenya retail food presents a brilliant opportunity for intervention with growing demand for sustainable solutions like what we are trying to bring to the market. What is the current market state? The retailers lack a system for managing perishable inventory that lead to reactive disposal of goods. Yes, we have system. We have good POS in the market, but like what you have currently, they don't have the capacity to do real-time tracking. Right? You have to go into self-check the product that are expired. They don't have that capacity, so that's what leads to complaint of expiries. We also have what we call the fragmented supply chain. It's difficult because before a product reaches the supermarket, it has to pass through chains of brokers. So in the process, lead to damage of goods and on all those issues. Operational efficiencies. We have a culture of traditional habits which lead to lack of proper visibility. What are emerging opportunities? Everybody is speaking about ESG, environmental social governance. There is demand for that. That's why you find some of the supermarkets are doing a lot of donation of these food that are related items as a way to boost their CSR. Social impact potential. When we address hunger, we're also cutting the amount of emissions. What are the economic benefits? When we reduce food loss and waste, we create more revenue streams. As they say, like in Kenya, we waste in the range of 8-12%. The supermarket waste in the range of 8-12% of the inventory. So when you cut food loss for them, we increase their revenue and the money they get. Next slide. So just a recap, key challenges in the retail sector. I've just said one of the key challenges in the retail sector. There is lack of structured stock visibility systems, because even for stock rotation, they have to work manually. They don't have centralized system for doing that. They don't have that. Most of them don't have standardized process for all their stores. There is also a disposal of expired goods. If you see some of them end up in dustbin, Kamoki, and Rotterdam sites. They don't do it in a proper way. Then financial costly. I've interacted with so many retailers, and most of them operate at very thin margin. There is also need. They also have clear IO to justify the new system, because I think we are trying to teach a system to. You see, like our systems are very expensive. We are trying to teach them. These systems are very expensive. You get the point. The initial cost for them. Then most of them have limited capital for sustainability investment. Also logistical complexity. In Kenya, last month, logistics is very hard. That's why you find there have been so many e-commerce platforms that have come and they have collapsed even investing failures because we don't have proper address system unlike US and other developed countries. So last mile delivery becomes a challenge. Another problem is complexity of coordinating with micro retailers, the small guys. Then there is high cost of the distribution. Then barriers to scale, infrastructure, because I was trying to explain, they lack centralized data system. So on that part, there is need for reliable data. Okay, what are strategic operating zones? We are focusing on urban and pre-urban areas that maximize impact and efficiencies. Our target is, we see like there's the market, which are the strategic zone, and the areas that are food insecure, because we are looking at distribution of that food to people who need this product at a discount or sometimes even donation. What are the key benefits of our approach? High volume of food waste, because around these areas, like in Ban area, the food loss is very high. Also, we target where population is high. Also, it's very easy to do simple with distribution, and it has also got high potential impact. What are strategic selection criteria? With supermarket density, we target urban areas with high supermarket concentration that release huge amount of waste. Then food insecurity spot. You have so many slums and most of these guys keep hungry. We also target them because it helps us even in being efficient with distribution. For in partnership, we have collaborated with retailers to recognize the problem and seeking innovations, and we are very working with them. Next slide. So food crowd mega system overview is very basic. We have a digital platform that provides tracking for perishable inventory. We also incorporate something called operation for sorting. How many of you have heard of 5S? How many knows of 5S? Buddha? I don't think there are Japanese in the room. You have heard of it? 5S? Kaizen?
Yes.
Can you tell us what is Kaizen?
Reason for being.
Eh?
Reason for being.
No. Can you explain what's Kaizen?
Kaizen is a management system
Mm-hmm.
where you fix problems in your pipeline. It has, I think, 5 S's, if I'm not wrong. I don't know all of them, but I know it's a management system that helps you sort out the challenges as they are, and it enables you to sort out not when the problems are big, but on a daily basis. Just find out what are the issues that you need to sort out, where are the challenges, look for solutions to those challenges.
Wow, super. Can you clap for him?
Hence my gift.
Are you a retailer?
Yeah, I'm a coach and a retailer, yes.
Then senior after this, I have it for you. So what you do in Japan, you see like Toyota, they have achieved zero wastage. How Japanese do it? In Japan, what they call waste muda. Muda is you can Google. Muda means waste in Japan. So they identify what are the causes of waste in the institution. They say like one of the major causes of waste is overproduction, excess inventory, transport, time. They look at all those structures in the organization. Then after they have done that, they do something called 5S. 5S training. What normally 5S means is you sort in order, set in order, standardize, then you sustain. You create like a standard, operating procedure. That's where we go to the Kaizen. Kaizen is a continuous improvement. You have started the process, you keep on improving each the time. You train your team, then you make it like a culture. It involves also something called VSM. It's called value stream mapping, where you're able to identify all the inefficiencies within the system. So that's what we do when you come to your business. We also do something called distribution. Our system, we have a high network of these guys who do outside catering. We have schools, we have NGOs. So the system actually tracks when products are about to expire. Maybe like it alert you in like 7 to 10 days. Once it have alerted you, then it said a promo to those guys. Then you discount. After you discount, you take from him. Maybe you can flash it. Then you go back to that we can have an overview of what we're talking about. So this is the system. Trans-Afra's food into hope and nourishment. We connect supermarket, restaurant, and food producers with local communities to prevent good food from going to waste. So what normally happens, you can try to join a retailer. You can just do basic details so that you can have a view of the system. Then you can click login. Super. This is the system. You're able to see, you see, he has not uploaded the item because you have to upload the item for the system to track. You're able to see what product are expiring in the next 7 days. Maybe you can click there. You see, you have not uploaded any item. You put the product, the code, the product category, quantity, delivery date, net price, expiry date, status, batch number, storage, and all that. Once you're able to do that, the system runs on AI and machine learning. It does the tracking automatically. You don't need to go to the shop. The way you see this local supermarket, we have employed hundreds of people doing around checking what product expired. The system, using the AI and machine learning, it does the tracking automatically. Am I clear up to that point?
Yeah.
Then we can go back to maybe like we can tap at dashboard. Once you tap the dashboard, then it's able to show you all that. Like the items that are expiring in the next 7 days, the total duration that you have made, the discount you have made, and discounted item is able to show you that. And the inventory in place. It's very simple because like let's say if you want to upload that, you just start at the back upload. You put all your items in a form of a CSV file in the system. The CV crack does that. Once you put them in the form of a CSV file, then you upload it into the system. Once you have uploaded, at the click of button, that's how you put the CSV file. Product code, product name, quantity, expiration date, description, blah blah, all that. Then you upload it to the system. The system track automatically. Then you can go back up there to the profile. Then the categories part. Category part. We have different categories: the bakery items, baking, beverages, canned goods, cereals, condiments, dairy. Am I clear up that point?
Yes.
I'm too fast. Okay, then you can show them the analytics. The expiration analytics. Oh yeah, it's able to see. If you can see the dashboard, you're able to see total items in stock. The items expired in terms of percentage. Expired items. What's the value of the inventory? This helps you make informed decisions. It's able to show you all that. Then you can do the expiry analytics. It's also very able to analyze you all that. Then expiration rate. Then it's able to down. It's able to analyze you all that information. Am I clear to the point? Any questions so far? If you are a retailer, would you have that system? Would you like to try it? If you, let's say you are a retailer, would you like to try it?
Yes.
Do you see the value proposition?
Yes.
So that's what you are bringing to the market. The system, you have done the system, then you can go back the slide. Then you have an overview of the system. Okay, so we have done that. What are our three pillar approach? The system that I've just shown you, the digital tracking system that give you real-time inventory and investor tracking through food alerts. Operational consulting, as I was trying to explain, we implement and we do implementation of Lean tool to identify and eliminate inefficiency within your organization. We also do something called value map steaming. We check system, we check your process end to end. We identify where there are inefficiencies. Then, as I was trying to explain, we bring aspect of the 5S. 5S means use, sort, use, set, sign, standardize, sustain. Then we bring component of Kaizen, continuous improvement. Then I was trying to explain the digital network. We connect food to micro retailers and charities. Network benefit, micro retailers, charities, or blah blah blah. Then go to the other side. So what are proven impact to the date? Our program have already shown that we have already recovered over 500 tons of food in the last 12 months. What amount of emission have we been able to divert? We have diverted over 1250 tons of CO2. Last month, we have onboarded another supermarket with three outlets called Zama. And we also in touch with Crenshaw on the same. So what are operational, you can see what we have been able to achieve. What are operational impact? We give you the visibility, stores track basic process visibility. We help you in doing lean implementation, the 5S and Kaizen, which build accountability. We also do something called stakeholder engagement and staff shifts from compliance to accountability. We can go down. What is our scalable and investable model? And I was trying to explain, this model is very easy and can be replicated or copied. Our standardized lean methodology is built on proven the 5S. These are the things that have been proven. Japan, they use this in their Toyota production, and they have minimized wastage. So it's something that has already been proven in universal, and even many manufacturers are already taking care of this. Then our system is scalable. Our system works across different environments, and we have built it on AWS infrastructure. So it's scalable. Also, universal application. The model can work with any retailer, size, region, creating a broader market applicability because of you see that for AWS infrastructure, no matter the size of the retailer, the system expands automatically. So it provides a component of scalability. So investable model, quantifiable market problem. We address a clear market need with measurable impact and return on investment potential. Tangible ROI for retailers. Our solution reduces operation losses for generating additional benefits. Strong ESG credentials. Our deal focus is on social impact and environmental sustainability because we are focusing on reducing hunger and at the same time taking care of environment because we are cutting greenhouse gas emissions. Down. Okay, growth roadmap, strategic approach to scaling food court across Kenya, food retail landscape. Short term, onboard two retailers. What we want to do by January, because we want to onboard Kingston, we want to onboard 2 more retailers, and we also want to have more on board. Expand. We also want to expand micro retailers, the small retailers who are also in food business. We also want to help, like if you are food business today, because of attending this, we have a gift for you. We will give you a free food waste audit. Is that not good? Midterm, scale across Kenya, major urban centers, all the towns, and expand our exhibition network. We want to onboard more as guys, more schools, more NGOs to make sure no food goes into waste. We also want to develop a regional food system intelligence. You see, they say, who has the data, control the future. You're so much on data. So long term, our long-term goal is building Kenya first national food system intelligence dashboard that can be used by all the county government and the national government in making decisions in matters to do with food security. We also want to monitor surplus flows and wastage hotspots nationally. We also want to shape national food policy and guidance. The good thing is food card was part and parcel of the National Technical Committee that made a policy guidance on surplus food distribution. We are already in the ecosystem. We are investing in this. Another slide. Call to action. As I promised, we are offering a free baseline food waste audit for all micro retailers to help you discover hidden losses and inefficiencies within your organization. We are also helping expert tracking and inventory management, various mapping to identify inefficiency and operation with governance using the ring tool as I was trying to explain. So after this, you can all see me. So for investors, because I know that investors are, we're inviting you to join us in building a first Kenya National Food System Intelligence Dashboard. Whereby it means investment in food security and climate action, and you'll be able to access real-time data on food costs. Also partnership in creating economic inclusion. That's all for today. Thank you.